In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your knock sensor on your Kia Soul. It's located underneath on your engine. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to take out 4 bolts for this engine shield. Undo this middle bolt. Take your splash shield down. This is the knock sensor. You're going to follow the wire up and you're going to disconnect it by pushing in on the tab. Using a trim tool, remove your wiring harness from this bracket. Remove that from the bracket. And now we're going to disconnect our connector. To disconnect, you're going to push in on this tab and pull. Now we're going to use a 12mm socket, and we're going to get the bolt out that's holding the knock sensor to the engine. And the whole thing should come out with the bolt. Now we're going to install our knock sensor. Reach up. Start the bolt by hand. Once you have the bolt started, you're going to feed your wire up to where that bracket was and hook it into the bracket. It will stop once you hit the stop point, and then you can put the other part of the connector into the bracket, pushing in where the hole is. So line it up and push it in. After you've slid your connector onto your bracket and pressed it in down here with the grommet, you're going to connect your connector. Line it up, push, and you should hear a click like that. Now we're going to go back to our knock sensor where the ratchet is, and we're going to tighten it up and torque it to 7 foot-pounds. We're going to put our splash shield back on, line it up, and get one bolt started. I'm going to go for this middle one. Once you get one started, you're going to do one in the back, and that should hold it in place. While you get the other one started.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.